Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I'm going to do a little quick review on this Chicago Electric mini tool grinder that I made one little modification on. But anyway, the main reason that I got this little grinder was to basically just to sharpen tungsten electrodes for TIG welding. And anyway, this guy costs retail is $28.99, you know, and with a lot of the other stuff, the Central Pneumatic and some of the other nicer stuff, you can't use the coupons, but the Chicago Electric stuff you can use whatever coupon. So I used 20% off coupon. It was sub 25 bucks, and then I got this just little diamond. It's a 150 grit grinding wheel, little 3-inch. So the tool, you know, it comes advertised as having a 1/2-inch arbor, but I don't know. What I found is that the arbor is actually smaller. It just has like a little plastic reducer. Either which way, I took off the. So basically, it came with a little polishing pad. So I took that off and put the diamond disc there in its place. I had to add a couple, you know, since it's a little bit narrow, I had to add a couple little spacers. I just had these little chainring spacers, but a washer, I don't know if that's 3/8 or 10 millimeters or so on the inside diameter there, or the shaft outside diameter. So anyway, you stacked a couple of those till it worked, but just some washers would be fine. But I tried it out, you know, sharpened quite a few tungstens already on it, and it seems pretty decent. It's not super noisy. I need to, as soon as I find out where I'm going to put it, I need to screw it down because it does kind of want to walk around. But yeah, as you can hear, it's not super loud. We'll go through the process here. So I got a nice brand new fresh tungsten. You know, some guys like to do them this way, the wheel's turning that way. I generally like to just do them like this. I'm just roughing it into place with the, so this disc is a 80 grit. So we're getting there, and then I'll finish it off on this side. Get a close-up of this, get it in focus. That seems pretty decent. So yeah, that's about it. Works really well. You know, I don't have a lot of space in my garage here, so this is a perfect perfect addition as far as small tools. Say I'll probably mount it. I might actually mount it upside down on the side of the bench down here, and you know, that way if the wheel's spinning that way, I can just grind the tungstens that way. I don't know, but anyway, I'll put links. I'll put a link to this Amazon link to this wheel that I got, and yeah, again, this thing is smallest, cheapest grinder that Harbor Freight sells. It's a 94071. So yeah, thanks for watching.